Wait for me, please. That's it. Runway lights come on. 2 landing lights come on. And the last two. It's a bit too steep there, so just turn to the right just a little. That's it. How long ago since you flew on the aeroplane?
It would have been last year.
Yeah. Good to get back into the seat.
It is, although this is quite different to a decathlon.
Yeah, that's it. Completely different.
Speeding up a little bit.
Bring it back half a centimetre or so. Speed's fine. Got 4 k's of runway to pull up. So feet on the pedals, get ready to steer. Now look outside now. This is it.
Yep.
Moment of the truth, Captain.
100.
It's a touch and go landing. There you go.
50.
So power off first, all the way back. And just flare, hold it there. No more flaring.
20.
Get ready to use your feet pedals. There we go. Lower the nose. Keep the front wheel on the ground again. Steer your rudder pedals now. Alright, stabilise the aeroplane.
Ready to go.
Halfway, yep, halfway first, let it spool up. Hold it there, let the engines rev up, there we go, now auto forward. Now there, stop it there, that's it. Perfect, now concentrate down the runway. Back to the wings level, that's it. Hold it there, 160, and then flap to 5 degrees when you finish the set. 5, that's it. Down again, yep, down to a little gap locking position, that's it, to 5. Perfect, back on the... And 142 now is our landing speed.
High.
Light slope.
Yep.
A little bit slow, just raise the nose up, just hold it there.
Light slope.
Technology, see? It's good for you, isn't it? Tells you everything.
Light slope.
Going back.
It's all good now. Look outside, there we go. Alright, looking good there. Auto throttle's disengaged, so hand on the throttles. As soon as you disengage auto throttle, hand on the throttles, that's it. Nice and gently, looking good. So just look outside, fly it down to the ground.
300.
Speed's good, everything's good now.
Approaching minimum.
This is the view you want to get.
Yep.
200. Minimums. 100. 50.
That's it, lovely.
40. 30. 20.
Feet on the pedals.
10.
Lower the nose, forward on the yoke, that's it now, reverse thrust up. Let go of the yoke now.